What's going on, guys? Andrew again, and now we're going to go over lunge positions, both with a reverse lunge and a Bulgarian split squat. Those are the two lunge variations, most common ones that we use and we go over. If you can understand how to do these, you can understand how to progress them as well, because the position doesn't change. The range of motion might, the tempo might, but for the most part the position doesn't. So the first thing we wanted to understand is that a lunge and a Bulgarian split squat actually have two different purposes. Well, every exercise has multiple purposes, but from what I'm going to be teaching you guys, they have two different purposes. So the lunge is more of a hip loading exercise, whereas a Bulgarian split squat is more of a knee quad dominant exercise. Both have similar traits, however, when performed, should be felt in different areas and have different purposes. So the first thing that we're going to go over with the lunge position, and I'm going to show you as well, is that we want to understand that we want to have a perfect 90-degree angle, both on my front leg and my back leg. So when we go back in lunge, basically what we're going to do is we're going to hinge at our knee. Our torso is going to stay nice and upright. Our back knee is going to be at 90 and our front knee is going to be at 90. We're going to plant our foot in, not move it. We're just going to go through just a lunge. You also want to think about, from the front's perspective, firming that knee up so it's equal and in a straight line with your ankle. So a lot of people's knees tend to cave in. You want to think about grabbing the ground and twisting your knee out so it stays even. All right, so again, a lunge, you're going to load your hip. Again, trying to stay nice and upright, a vertical shin, you're just hinging through your knee. The difference between that and a Bulgarian split squat, which is a rear foot elevated split squat, is a rear foot elevated split squat is going to load your quad or your knee just a little bit more. So you elevate your back leg, knee drives forward slightly, not too much to the point where everything's riding forward and you're losing integrity of your core. And then there's also a slight forward lean of your torso over your front side that will allow you to push through your glute more at the bottom position compared to pushing through your knee at the top.